action.
Hey guys, Jason, Surviving Dad Life again with another product review. I'll get to it in a second. Anyway, say you go to a party and there's a bunch of people around and you want to get rid of like some crappy alcohol that you have. And you're like, hey, you want to do some shots? Yeah, let's do some shots. Well, you know, when somebody hears you, then this guy wants to do it. She wants to do it. So then you're pouring shots for like 18 people. And then you're pouring this, and then it's time consuming. You spill it every time you pour. So I have the solution. This was sent to me. This is called the Dolphin Siphon. You fill up the reservoir up here, you fill it up, you take this little piece here, you set it on top of this. It looks like an umbrella in here. When you set it on there, it pulls up like a stainless steel bearing out of the way so that it can flow into all the glasses. I've tried it a couple times. It does work. The thing is it might not work real great if you're not on a real level surface. It might pour into another glass differently, but for the most part, it works. You get on a fairly level surface, you fill this up to where it comes up. I'm going to fill it to where it's almost to the top of this umbrella. Reason being is that if you don't have enough in it, then there's not enough volume or pressure that can be put on it to get the liquid out in all your shot glasses. But this was sent to me. I'll put the link in the description down, and I think it's Amazon you can get it from. And then I think the company is going to send me a promo code where maybe you can get a discount. Anyway, first of all, you have to take this out. Take your crappy alcohol that you're giving to your friends to get it out of your fridge. And you pour it and fill up the reservoir.
A lot of alcohol.
Okay. It says to the tip of the umbrella, but I'm going to fill it to this line right here. So you've got it in. It's not moving, not going anywhere. You take this, set it on top, and it says to spin it. Zoom in there on that. And it fills your shot glasses.
Amazing.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? I don't know how 100% accurate it is. You can take this off, and then it won't put any more in there if you've got some left in your reservoir. But boom, you've got 6 shots pulled. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to pull these out. There's 6 shots that just poured. And they're pretty close, but I can tell you that the way my deck is and the way the table sets, it kind of falls this way more. So these right here that were on this side, it's going to fill them up a little bit more just because of how it was setting. But it filled up 6 shot glasses for you. And then you can take them and you can get rid of this crappy stuff that you give to your friends. Oh God. There's another thing. If you hate your friends, you'll buy this stuff and give to them. Oh. But anyway, this was probably one of the neatest things you can get. Have it at like a party and everybody would be like, oh man, that's cool. Just something to pull out. And man, I'm taking one for my friends. But anyway, make sure you look down in the description. I'll have the link down there where you can check this thing out. And then have fun at your next party.